Are you tired of old, clunky tools and outdated devices slowing you down? Whether you're a passionate DIYer, a professional electrician, or someone building the ultimate smart home, the right tools can make all the difference. In today's video, we've gathered 6 of the most innovative and powerful electrical tools and smart gadgets that will not only simplify your projects, but elevate your entire setup. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 6, wireless light switch. This self-powered, battery-free light switch is a game changer for smart home enthusiasts. Operating on 433 MHz, this kinetic energy-based switch completely eliminates the need for batteries or complex wiring. Whether you're installing it in a bathroom, outdoor area, or kitchen, the waterproof design ensures reliable performance in wet conditions. Its super mini body blends into any environment and offers flexible installation options. Stick it on the wall, furniture, or even glass. You can pair multiple remotes with one receiver, making it perfect for multi-room control or multiple users. Plus, it boasts a 50-meter signal range in open spaces, offering total freedom in placement and operation. Simplify your setup and say goodbye to power constraints with this revolutionary switch. Number 5. Tuya Circuit Breaker. This smart circuit protection device is more than just a breaker. It's a full-featured energy management system in one compact unit. Compatible with the Tuya app, it provides under and over voltage protection, current limiting, and earth leakage detection, keeping your home safe and efficient. You can monitor energy consumption in real time, track voltage and current levels, and even customize trip thresholds between 150 volts, 300 volts, and 1 amp to 63 amp. The Auto Reconnect feature adds another layer of safety and convenience. Designed for single-phase systems, this CE-certified smart breaker is ideal for anyone who wants intelligent control over their electrical load, especially when away from home. Number 4. Electrician's Knife. Don't let its size fool you. This 100,000-volt insulated knife is a beast when it comes to precision stripping. It features a stainless steel blade for durability, making it ideal for removing cable skins cleanly and efficiently. Designed with injection-molded insulation, it's built to resist high voltage, making it extremely safe for electrical work. Whether you're a DIYer or a professional, this knife's rubber ergonomic handle provides a firm grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. A protective sleeve adds portability and safety, making this the perfect everyday tool in your kit. Number 3. GIRIER Smart Plug. Turn any device into a smart device with the GIRIER Smart Wi-Fi Plug. This powerful 20A plug supports remote control, scheduling, voice activation via Alexa or Google Home, and even energy monitoring. Perfect for saving energy and increasing efficiency. It lets you control appliances from anywhere using the Smart Life or Tuya app. Need your coffee maker to start before you wake up? Or want to track your AC's power usage? This plug handles it all. Its scene function allows automation based on time, weather, or even your location. And with sharing capabilities, your entire household can control the setup without extra apps or remotes. With certifications from CE and RoHS, you can trust it's as safe as it is smart. Number 2. WOZOBUY Crimping Tool. Serious about clean, reliable wiring? The WOZOBUY Crimping Toolkit is a must-have. Designed for 0.25 to 10 mm squared wire, this high-quality ratcheting crimper makes your connections strong and long-lasting. Made of high-hardness alloy steel, it includes a pressure adjustment system and ratchet release for perfect crimping every time. Choose from kits including up to 2,000 ferrule terminals, giving you everything needed for quick, organized wire work. Its non-slip ergonomic handle reduces fatigue, improves control, and increases productivity. Whether you're wiring panels or working on DIY electronics, this tool ensures tight, accurate crimps. No more damaged terminals or wasted connectors. Number 1. Wire Stripper Crimper. Need a tool that does it all? This adjustable multifunctional plier is the go-to solution for stripping, crimping, and cutting wires effortlessly. Made of durable carbon steel, it offers precision and speed with every use. Ideal for both insulated and non-insulated terminals, its automatic stripping mechanism adjusts to the wire size, saving you time and effort. This tool is perfect for all levels, from home hobbyists to licensed electricians. Its straight-handle, ergonomic design ensures comfort and maximum leverage, even during heavy-duty work. Compact, reliable, and built for multi-purpose use, this hand tool is a must-have for every toolbox. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.